Have you ever wondered how people are posting videos on YouTube every single day without showing their face, without owning a camera, and without even recording their voice? Well, the truth is many of those videos are created using artificial intelligence. And the best part is you can do the exact same thing using just your smartphone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to create professional AI-generated videos for YouTube without showing your face, without expensive equipment, and without any prior editing experience. Hello and welcome to Faceless AI Lab. My name is Princely, and on this channel, I teach you how to start and grow profitable faceless YouTube channels using AI tools. So if you're interested in YouTube automation, content creation without showing your face, and learning how to make money online using artificial intelligence, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our future tutorials. Now let's get started. First of all, what exactly is an AI-generated video? An AI-generated video is a type of video that is created using artificial intelligence tools instead of traditional video recording methods. Instead of using a camera to film yourself speaking, you simply write a script, convert that script into an AI-generated voiceover, add visuals such as stock footage or screen recordings, and then edit everything together using a mobile video editing app like CapCut. This means you can create tutorials, explainer videos, educational content, motivational videos, list videos, documentary-style videos, storytelling content, or even tech reviews without ever appearing on camera. And this is exactly how thousands of faceless YouTube channels are being run successfully today. The first step to creating your AI-generated video is choosing your topic and writing your script. Your script is simply the message or information you want your video to communicate to your viewers. If you already know what you want to talk about, you can write your script manually using your Notes app. However, if you're not sure what to write, you can use AI writing tools like Chat to generate a complete script for you. All you need to do is type in a simple prompt like, write a YouTube video script on how to create AI-generated videos using a smartphone. And within seconds, the AI will generate a full script that you can use for your video. Once your script is ready, the next step is to convert it into voiceover using AI text-to-speech. This is where artificial intelligence reads your script out loud using a natural-sounding digital voice. There are many AI voice tools available online, but you can also do this directly inside the CapCut mobile app. Simply open CapCut, tap on text, add your script, and then select the text-to-speech option. CapCut will give you several AI voice options to choose from. You can test different voices until you find one that sounds natural and fits your content style. After selecting your preferred voice, you can adjust the speed slightly to make it sound more human and less robotic. Once you generate the voiceover, your video now has a professional narration without you needing to record your own voice. Now that your voiceover is ready, the next step is to add visuals to your video. Since you are not showing your face, your visuals will come from other sources such as stock footage, screen recordings, animations, AI-generated images, or background videos. You can download free stock footage from websites like Pexels or Pixabay. Search for keywords related to your video topic and download clips that match your script. For example, if your video talks about making money online, you can download clips of laptops, digital dashboards, mobile phones, or people working remotely. Once downloaded, import these clips into CapCut and place them on your timeline above your voiceover. Make sure each visual matches what the voiceover is currently saying. This helps your audience understand your message better and keeps them engaged throughout the video. You can also record your phone screen to show certain steps inside apps like CapCut. This makes your tutorial more original and improves your chances of getting monetized, because YouTube prefers videos that contain unique and helpful content. After adding your visuals, the next step is to include background music. Background music helps make your video sound more professional and enjoyable to watch. Inside CapCut, tap on Audio, then select Sounds. Choose a calm and soft background music that matches the tone of your video. After adding the music, reduce the volume to about 5 to 10% so it doesn't overpower your voiceover. This ensures your viewers can clearly hear the narration while still enjoying the background sound. Next, you can add text elements and subtitles to highlight important points in your video. Adding text on screen improves viewer retention and makes your video easier to follow. You can highlight keywords, include headings, or add call to action text such as subscribe for more AI tutorials or learn how to make money using AI. Before exporting your video, watch it from beginning to end to make sure everything is aligned properly. Once you're satisfied with your video, tap on export and choose 1080p resolution with 30 frames per second for the best quality. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure you like this video and subscribe to Faceless AI Lab for more tutorials on how to create faceless YouTube channels and make money online using AI tools. My name is Princely, and I'll see you in the next video.